This is Cubes. Cubes is a document storage solution built on top of Iris globals. Cubes is a demonstration of how globals can be used to build extremely fast, customized storage and query solutions. Cubes is schemaless, it's generic, it's automatically indexed, and it's very fast. For this demonstration, I have pre-populated 3 cubes with data from 3 different sources. So in this first cube, I have loaded the NWIC 8 from Wikipedia, which has 5,300 objects. Searching on the term chess returns 55 results in 17 milliseconds. Clicking on any of these links will fetch the full text for that object from the cube. I can narrow the search terms down by adding more words. In this next demonstration, we have a cube that has been loaded from the source code of a system namespace. Searching on class method returns 1,500 results in 87 milliseconds. That's from 20,000 objects, and you can see that the response here does indeed contain 1,500 results. Again, clicking on any of these links will return back the full source code. In this final demonstration, I have loaded JSON data from a test fire solution. So I'm going to search on the surname Abbott. That's returning 264 results in 80 milliseconds, and that's from 20,000 objects. I'll narrow this down, just looking for Abbott in Swansea, and you can see the search time as we narrow down the search terms typically is getting smaller. This instance, 3 results in 10 milliseconds. Perhaps we're interested in all patients that have had an influenza immunisation in North Adams. That's 479 results. Or maybe patients that have had penicillin and naproxen and an emergency encounter in North Adams. I can search on the patient ID with the resource name medication. That allows me to go and look at all of the medications for that patient in one narrow search. Again, if I click on any of these links, it's going to take me to the full contents for that patient. Of course, in the results we just see the narrow items of interest. And indeed we can get quite specific, looking for a patient with blood pressure of 147/113, which we can see here. Okay, that's been a very short demonstration of Cubes. Cubes is available on GitHub.